Dear learners, welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. I hope you are regular with English grammar and vocabulary practice. Daily spend some time for English. It is essential to master grammar and vocabulary. Today, in this vocabulary session, let's learn some phobias. Here, I will cover 30 names of phobias and will ask 2 questions at the end of the session. So listen carefully and comment the answers in the comment box. Let's start. One words, phobias or mental disorders. A phobia is an irrational fear of something that is unlikely to cause harm. So a phobia is an irrational fear of something that is unlikely to cause any harm. In Greek language, phobos means fear or horror. So that is the origin of the word phobia. Example, hydrophobia. Here hydro means water and phobia is related to fear. So hydrophobia is fear of water. Now let's see some phobias. First one, acrophobia. Here acro is related to height. So acrophobia is fear of high places. Again, altiphobia also means fear of heights. Altitude means heights. So altiphobia is also means fear of high places or heights. Aerophobia. Aerophobia is fear of air travel or flying. Third one, aglophobia. Aglophobia means fear of pain. Fear of pain is called aglophobia. Anglophobia. Anglophobia is the fear of England or English people. Fifth one, anorexia. Anorexia is the fear of getting fat. Fear of getting fat is anorexia. There is one another phobia, lipophobia. So that is also same, fear of getting fat. So anorexia or lipophobia, both are fear of getting fat. Sixth one, agoraphobia. Agoraphobia means fear of open or public place. There is an antonym for that, claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is its opposite, that is fear of closed places. So agoraphobia is fear of open or public place. Claustrophobia is fear of closed place. Seventh one, androphobia. Fear of males. We know that androgen is a male hormone and estrogen is female hormone. So androgen is related to male. So androphobia is fear of males. Eighth one, autophobia or monophobia. Both are same. Fear of loneliness or solitude. Autophobia or monophobia both mean fear of loneliness or solitude. Ninth one, amaxophobia. Amaxophobia is the fear of riding in a car. Fear of riding in a car is amaxophobia. Anthophobia, fear of flowers. Fear of flowers is anthophobia. Arachnophobia. Arachnophobia is fear of spiders. Fear of spiders is arachnophobia. Arithmophobia, fear of numbers. Numbers are related to arithmetic. That's why it is called arithmophobia, fear of numbers. Astrophobia. Astrophobia is fear of thunder and lightning. Bibliophobia. Biblio is related to books So bibliophobia is fear of books. 15th, bathophobia. Bathophobia is fear of depths. Imagine taking bath in deep water. Then we feel fear of depths. So bathophobia is fear of depths. 16th, cacophobia. Cacophobia is fear of ugliness. There is a word cacography. That means ugly writing. So caco is related to ugly. So cacophobia is fear of ugliness. 17th, catrophobia. Catrophobia is fear of doctors. 18th, cellophobia. Cellophobia is fear of beauty. Chronophobia. Chronophobia is fear of time. Chrono is related to time. We know that chronology is related to time. So chronophobia is fear of time. Cynophobia. Cynophobia is fear of dogs. Whenever there comes prefix of sign or can, cyn sign or can, that relates to dog. So cynophobia is fear of dogs. 21st, claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is fear of closed or confined or small place that we have already mentioned earlier. That agoraphobia is antonym of it. That is fear of open place. Fear of open place is agoraphobia. Fear of closed place is claustrophobia. 22nd, chromophobia. Chromophobia is fear of colors. We know that chromo is related to color. So chromophobia is fear of colors. 23rd, dipsophobia. Dipsophobia is fear of thirst or fear of drinking water. There is another word, dipsomania. Dipsomania is an obsession or compulsion or a mania for alcohol. So mania for drinking alcohol is dipsomania. But dipsophobia is fear of thirst or drinking water. 24th, demonophobia. Demonophobia is fear of evil spirits. A demon is related to evil spirits, so demonophobia is fear of evil spirits. Dendrophobia. Dendrophobia is fear of trees. Entomophobia. Entomophobia is fear of insects. We know that entomology is study of insects. So entomo is related to insects. So entomophobia is fear of insects. Ergophobia. Ergophobia is fear of work. 28th, ailurophobia. Ailurophobia is fear of cats. Echinophobia, fear of horses. Echinophobia, fear of horses. Ecophobia. Ecophobia is fear of the home. So the fear of home is ecophobia. You may revise all these 30 words or phobias once again so that you get familiar with all these words. Now I have 2 questions for you. You may answer them in the comment box. First one, what is the fear of males? Second one, what is the fear of ugliness? So comment in the comment box. See you in the next lesson. If you like the video, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.